how to open an IRA on Robinhood. So I'm going to show you how to open IRA account on Robinhood. So let's get started. So firstly, open up Robinhood and log into your Robinhood account. So once you're on your Robinhood account logged in, so what we're going to do is click on the retirement tab here. So click on the retirement tab and this will take you to this page here. So what we're going to do now is click on get started. So click on get started and this will take you to the sign up page for IRA. So you're going to choose which type of IRA you want. So you can, whether you want the Roth one or the traditional one. So it's based on your preference. You just choose one of these. I'll go for these traditional ones. Okay, so it's up to you. You can just choose which one is better, suits better for you. Then choose one of these and then click on continue. And then all you have to do now is follow some few on-screen prompts in order to get this set up. So traditional, so for the traditional IRA I selected. Okay, so that's the eligibility and the withdrawal and all this information about it. Click on continue. Okay, and then what I have to do now is agree to these terms and conditions. So you just have to review it, and then once you have reviewed, click on this tick on this box and hit on agree. Okay, so once you have agreed that, then click on agree and go to the next step here. So and once you've agreed to the terms and conditions, then Robinhood will get into your account and they'll be opening up your retirement account, and once it's done you will get notified on your email, and that's pretty much it. It's pretty straightforward process to open it up. Hope the video was helpful. I will see you in a new video. Thank you.